Hello, friends, and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now, before we start this review, let's talk about what do I have to offer. Because these products for which I'm doing the review, these products will come and go and will do nothing to you. So you'll probably not make money with any of that thing which you buy in $17, $20. Okay. So I'll do the review in a moment. Just give me a couple of minutes. So when you come down below my YouTube video, you have these links. Okay, so I'm going to share my personal things which makes me money, the real money I'm talking about, not the shiny objects which you keep buying every day in $17 $20. Okay, so below the video I have some links, useful links for you if you want to make real money. Okay, if you want to make that money in dreams that I will buy some machine in $20 and I will start making money while I sleep, then you can leave this video and you can keep dreaming. Okay, you don't have to be awake for dreaming, you can go back to sleep. But if you want to make real money online, because I have been making these videos for a number of years now, okay, you can go on my channel and you can see how many videos I have made. For example, if I come back and show you, this is not the first time I'm doing this. This is my channel, and come back here in my playlist. Okay, and you will see I have done these reviews in the past. So this one showing 1611 videos. Okay, so I did these reviews 4 years ago, then I left it, and then I changed my field to forex trading. As you can see here, these forex trading videos, so I have done it, and that's why I'm talking about what I am telling you right now. So come back here, and the first link is swing like a pro. So what does it mean? It's for people who wants to make money in trading. Okay, so when you click on the first link below, you will come to this page right here, and then you can see these short videos. Each video is like 2 3 minutes long. You click on them, you play, and you see how you can make money in swing trading or forex trading. Okay, there are plenty of videos and many more will be updated. This is the proof to show you my knowledge and how this works. Okay, so if you are interested in learning trading or making money with forex trading, even if you're a newbie, you have no idea what's going on here, if you plan to join this program, I'll give you full training, how to set up the account, how to take trades, stuff like that, even if you're a newbie. Okay, this program is mainly for people who are already into trading. They want my setups, my trades, buy and sell and book profits. But if you don't know anything about trading, you can still get this, and I will walk you through in the videos how to exactly join which broker, how to take trades, so you will know once you go through the trading. Okay, so this is method number one, which I personally also do, and you can see here these are my charts. Okay, so it's not something I'm just telling you randomly, blah blah blah. I am doing this personally as well. Okay, so the first link is trading. If you have the money to invest and you can take some risk means that be ready to lose money. That's part of the game. That doesn't mean I'm saying you will lose all the time, but that's part of the part of the gig. You have to be ready mentally. Okay, so if you want to make money in trading, you can try this program. Second link is make money on YouTube like me, so you can come and make YouTube videos. Okay, and especially this traffic Jarvis program will help you to make money using this YouTube monetization. Okay, so for example, if your channel gets monetized by YouTube, if you have like 500 to 1000 subscribers and 3 4,000 watch hours, which is not easy to get in the last 1 year, then you can get your channel monetized. Okay, so this traffic Jarvis, you can see here, you can make money using videos. Okay, so if you make money, people watch the ads on your videos, you can make money, and you can sell in your, you can sell something in your YouTube videos. As you can see, you can get sales. Okay, you can get sales here, you can get sales there. You can see everything, all the proofs are right there. So I have made this kind of money using YouTube only. If you want to make money using free YouTube traffic and you want to know how to start on YouTube totally for free, then go and get this program. I'm sharing these methods to you because I have implemented them, used them in my entire personal online life. Okay, so you can go for swing trading if you have the money. If you can go for YouTube, learn YouTube yourself, get it monetized within a month, and in the program you will learn everything how to do this. And the third link is about email marketing, get 100 email leads per day. So if you click here, you will come to this page. You can watch this video before joining, and this will give you 100 email leads per day, and also the system within the within this program. So you will have the autoresponder, and you will get 100 leads every day, and you can send emails to them once per day. and you can sell them anything you want. Okay, so you can sell any offer of your choice to these 100 leads, or you can sell this system itself to these 100 leads. Okay, so you have everything covered, and if I show you if that works or not, so you can see this is the system. 100 leads per day, I have been making money with this. Just check this out. Okay, check this out, check this out, check this out. It does work. Okay, whatever I'm showing you, I personally have made money with it. It's not some gimmick. And also, this will not make you rich. This 100 leads program will not make you rich, but if you want extra 200 $300 per month, it's a good thing. Okay, because if you see, my last sale came on 22nd of May 2026, and it's reoccurring. Okay, it's, you see here, last month, this month, before that, so it's reoccurring commissions, profits. Once you make a sale, you get commissions every month, and I have been getting this from number of years. Okay, so this is what I wanted to, this is what I wanted to share with you before I do the review. So if you like till now what you see, then subscribe, like, and share the video. Make sure you check out these programs, because these programs which I'm talking about are made by me only. Okay, so the top two programs are mine, the third one is not mine. So if you want to do trading and work with me, go and click the first link and watch these videos to understand what is going on here, what is my knowledge, if you should work with me or not. Go check this out. And then second link is about to make money on YouTube. If you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a month, go and get this traffic Jarvis and make money with the YouTube free traffic. Okay, and if you want to get 100 leads per day and make commissions like I have shown you right here, then go and click the third link and come and go and join this program and make recurring commissions. All right, that's it. So go and join this program. And now let's talk about this product for which I'm going to do the review. And one more thing, guys, if you want something for free, then you can get this free bonus lifetime email responders. So you can click on this link and you can join my email list. Make sure whether you buy anything or not doesn't really matter. You go and join my email list, click on this link and enter, click on continue after that, and then enter your email and the name, and then you will be getting a free lifetime email autoresponder as well, okay, as a bonus. So go and check out these things and also join my free email list, the last link here. And then let's talk about and do the review now. All right, guys, let's do this local template store fortune review. So let's get to the sales page, which is very, very colorful. So it says, attention marketeers, evergreen local business needs, ready to deliver. Launch your own local marketing template store with a complete done for you solution. Get ready-made marketing templates, 2,500 plus unique Canva designs to sell, 30 high demand local industries in a beautiful, professional and ready to launch store. No tech headaches, no product creation, just a smart built for you. And then you have to go and watch this demo video to know how this is going to work. Okay, so it says complete done for you marketing template store with the products, delivery links, layouts and store structure already set up for you. 2,500 plus unique editable Canva designs, product pages already loaded, includes practical local marketing templates such as social media packs, flyers, which you will see on the sales page just below right here. You see, these are those packs they are talking about, which you can post on social media about your business and get some leads. Okay, now this is a ready-made done for you product. What you need to do is install their backup file. So you have to work in WordPress. Okay, so this product is mainly done for you for those people who are freelancers, some agencies, some maybe SEO companies, whatever. Okay, so if you are in this website building for local clients, you will be getting these done for you templates. It's pretty easy. When you go and watch this demo video, all you have to do is download the backup file, which you will get after you buy this product, and then upload that backup file in the WordPress using plugin, and then the store gets live on a domain, and then you can customize, edit. You can change the brand name, change the website name, connect your payment gateway such as Stripe or PayPal, and start accepting payments. So either you can use it for your own website needs if you want to create a store for yourself, or you can sell this as a business to local clients who wants to make a website for their local business. Okay, so you can approach local businesses such as there are plumbers, electricians, whoever will be in the need of these websites. Okay, So let me go ahead and show you the OTOs first, and then we'll take a look at the sales page further. So there we are, and let's check the upgrades. This is the demo video, is it? Yes, I'm not gonna play it. You have to go and watch the demo video in your free time, okay? So when you come to the sales page, so probably you will find the link below my YouTube video. So below this video, it will be saying grab whatever the name of the product is, template store, copy, something like that. So go and grab the copy and click on that first link, come to the sales page, and then go and watch this demo video and then go and buy. Okay. So let's get to the upgrades here. So what you will be getting in $27, that is your front end, in which you will get done for you local template store WordPress website, built for WordPress and multiple import options, deploy in minutes. So as I explained to you earlier, they'll give you the backup file which you will go just and upload into WordPress, and then your website will go live in minutes. Okay. Also, you will get 2,500 plus unique marketing designs templates for 30 local businesses, done for you promo video and social posts. So I have shown you that on the sales page already. And what is this web app to generate? If you pay them this much more, then you can also get web app to generate marketing designs, prompt for any business, etc., etc., etc. Okay. After that, you have OTO 1. So in OTO 1, you will be getting these some additional features. Then in OTO 2, you will be getting these some done for you features. Okay. And then we have OTO 3, in which you will be getting hosting and website management service. For example, if you are new, you do not have any website hosting, you are totally new, you don't have a website, no WordPress, no hosting, then you can go for OTO 3 and get going from the very beginning. OTO 4 is local toolkit site bundle, done for you local toolkit website. So you can become some agency yourself, right? So premium local marketing tool for local business, freemium model giveaway. So it's like setting up the whole agency thing, where you will have your own website, where you can get traffic, and then those people will buy from you, and you will be the agency to provide those services. Okay. OTO 5 is local spotlight fortune bundle. So done for you local spotlight website, logo top. Now, in other words, I can tell you by reading these OTOs that this is not something for newbies, I think so. Okay. It's not like you don't know anything about website, WordPress, and you just close your eyes and you buy. I don't think that will help you. It's for those people who are tech savvy, okay, tech savvy like me or maybe like you. So it depends, people are tech savvy. They know what is WordPress, what is hosting, cPanel, plugins, this and that, and how to get leads, how to contact local businesses, how to sell them website, how to sell freelancing services, maybe how to run Facebook ads, Google ads. Okay. So if you are into that tech niche, then this product will definitely help you if you're a freelancer or some agency. Okay. If you're totally newbie, have no idea what's going on here, then just enjoy the video. Or if you know buy, then go and buy from a link. So this is OTO 5 local spotlight fortune bundle. OTO 6 is profitable store bundle. Go and read all the features in which you will get all of this. Okay, done for you coloring store with ready to sell products. And that's it. So we have these 6 OTOs. Okay, so when you buy the front end, which will cost you minimum $27, after that you will get to those OTO pages, and then you can choose which one you need, which one you don't, and then scroll down the sales page and take a look at everything in your free time. So it says step 1 is effortlessly set up your store in minutes with just few clicks. I already explained to you. Just upload the file, then upload their word file, backup file, upload their backup file on your WordPress and go live. Then step 2 is connect your PayPal, Stripe, already told you, and then share value, build trust, and monetize naturally. So once you bring traffic to your store, you start getting sales, you make money. Okay. And these are those examples you can see. This is the home page. This is how the website or store will look like, the home page. This is your shop page, it will look like, and this is the premium upgrade. Now we have these marketing materials done for you. Okay, and that's it, I guess. So you go and check out the sales page, and you have this demo video here as well. So come to the sales page, click on the first link below my video which says grab the copy, click on that, and then come to the sales page, watch this demo video, and then go and buy from my link. And in the bonus, you will get the free email autoresponder as well if you buy from me. And we have some questions here. So it says what exactly is being offered here. So you're getting a complete done for you local template store business. I already have done this explaining, so no need to repeat. How do I deliver? how to or how do I deliver the products. The product delivery links are already applied or added inside the store. When a customer completes a purchase, they will receive the download links directly into their browser. Okay, I think this should be customizable as well. Okay, so already, otherwise it's already linked. Everything is linked, right? So what type of backup file will I get? You will receive two types of backup files, both compatible with a popular and user-friendly all-in-one WP migration. These are two plugins which you have to install. One of these two you have to install to upload the files in WordPress. So what do we have here? If you have any questions, you can always email them first. Okay, so how can I monetize? The store is built for digital product delivery, so you can sell different types of downloadable or link-based products. Do I need domain and hosting? So to fully utilize local template store fortune, you will need a domain name and a hosting server. Obviously, I told you if you want to work with WordPress, having WordPress already means you have a website and the domain and the hosting. So does installing through backup files create a security loophole? No. I don't know WordPress. Of course, you can use the product. They will include a bonus course in how to use it. Okay. And what are the OTOs? We already have discussed the OTOs. Should I make the store local? You do not have to make the store local by city, but it can be smart angle or local. It depends which country or which niche are you getting into. If you are a local guy in your city, in your local hood, you have to offer some local services. Then go into the local niche. Otherwise, if you want to go run some paid ads, then go broad. So is there any additional cost to get started? You might need the domain or hosting if you don't have it already. Okay. How fast do you handle support requests? 24 hours, I guess. Okay. Do you have setup service? They do. So you can go with the OTO3 in the OTO3, you can get the done for you setup service. How can I contact you? So if you have any questions, you can always email them or go to their support page. Ask the questions if you have any questions before or after buying the product. Okay. I guess it's a very, very cool product. And in the end, I'll show you the vendor that whom are you dealing with. So here he's the guy, and I will show you his previous launches, previous offers. So you could see he's got like 5 star, which is very, very awesome. 4.76 out of 5 stars. So he's mainly creating useful, done for you, products for agency owners, for freelancers, for those people who sell local businesses or some done for you products. Okay. So if you want to work on WordPress or you have some local clients, you want to make websites for them, especially done for you, close your eyes and go and buy this, and you will find the link below. Go and buy from a link and get the bonus free email autoresponder as well. And if you want to make real money online, as we discussed in the beginning of the video, you can make money using my links below. First link is about trading, swing trading on automation. And then you can make money on YouTube just like me. I'm making the video, and you can also get email. So go and check out the links below my video. We have discussed all that in the beginning already. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.